Hi, Matt from 4x4 Accessories and Tyres. Just going to show you around this unbelievable build we've got going out today. Ford Ranger Wildtrak, converted with our huge arches. As you can see, start sequence there for our Bugatti headlights. So I'm going to talk you around some of these accessories on here. So what we've got, as you can see, is a styling stripe, Predator styling stripe. That is also mixed with our Predator gloss black grille. You've already seen the startup sequence from our aftermarket headlights. So full LED headlights, inspired by Bugatti. We've got our DRLs and fog lights down there as well. And that's mixed with a 76mm Steeler aggressive front bar. And if I move down a little bit there, you can also see 20-inch light bar integration just neatly placed under there. If I move around here, you can see the width of these arches. They look really, really aggressive, very, very big. And that is mixed with 20-inch wheel, really aggressive radar Renegade tyre, and some wheel spacers on there as well. So the stance on this thing looks absolutely incredible. You certainly know about when it's driving towards you. As I move around the side, what you'll see is we have done a little bit of paint work on this as well. So we've painted the roof rails black, and we've also done the bottom of the side steps black as well. If I move round, you can see this very nice little green accent on there as well, on the arches, just to bring them out a little bit. This is actually a Wildtrak, but what we've done is we've taken the Wildtrak styling bar off and added the mounting top roll with the roll bar that goes with that one as well. If I move round, you can see the styling stripe continues. We've got our LED tail lights on there as well, and also a tow bar, one of our tow bars fitted to it. So as I move round and just show you about that, how good does this thing look? So what we'll do is we'll put all the links to the accessories that we've got fitted on here in the description below. If you need any more details, just give us a shout and we'll be only too happy to go through it with you.